Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host David, and today we're going to be taking you through the step-by-step process of what goes on in Stance Bros when you guys get an undercoating. Now this isn't just any undercoating, this is actually Waxoyl, and we're actually one of 4 installers in Canada, and we actually own the rights to all of Calgary. That's right, we wanted to be the only shop that could offer it to our clients, and that's us. And what is Waxoyl, you guys might be asking? Well, it's 100% environmentally friendly, and it's not like you come back every single year like other undercoatings. We have to apply 6 to 8 months. It's a one and done. You might see me once every 10 years for little tiny touch-ups. Now, like you guys can see behind me, the vehicle is masked off, and that is step 1. We're gonna mask off the entire vehicle to ensure that there's no overspray whatsoever gets onto your guys' paint. If a little bit does get on there, we're able to safely remove that after the undercoating is done. Now, the second step is we're actually gonna raise it up and we're gonna do a very thorough clean of the undercarriage, so that's completely free. We're gonna clean the undercarriage completely free, no extra cost to you guys. And the reason that we do that is just so there's no dirt, no grime, nothing like that that's built up over the years. We recommend doing this when your vehicle is about 3 years old or newer. We can do older vehicles, but if there's a little bit of rust buildup, you might have to come in 2 to 3 years from now for that little tiny touch up. So we recommend doing this when your vehicle is like 3 years old or brand new, like this 2026 Subaru Crosstrek. After we wash your guys' vehicle and make sure that it's shiny and sparkly and looking all nice underneath there, we're gonna drop it back down and actually do the cavity portion. Now, essentially what that means is when you go in for a normal undercoating, they're actually drilling into your car, decreasing the value of it. We're not gonna drill, we're not about that. We wanna increase your resale value, not decrease it. So essentially what we have is a thin, long wire that spreads the wax in all directions, and we'll feed that into your doors, we'll feed that into your trunk, into your hood, every hole that we can possibly find, even underneath the undercarriage, we'll feed it into the frame, and we spray it everywhere. After that, we actually apply the black coating to the undercarriage of your vehicle, and that's gonna dry a thick, hard matte black that's gonna protect your vehicles for 7 to 10 years. So let's just do a quick recap and go over some of the benefits of getting Waxoyl over your generic everyday undercoating. Starting off with number 1, it's a one and done coating. Like I mentioned before, you might come see me every 4, 7, or even 10 years from now for little tiny touch-ups. Whereas a generic undercoating, you're actually going back in every 6 to 8, maybe a year from now, if it actually lasts that long. One little puddle, and normally the generic undercoatings actually just rinse right off. Waxoyl dries hard, matte black, it looks amazing. It's gonna increase the resale value by over 200%, because when you go into a mechanic or when you go into the dealership, or if you get a pre-vehicle inspection when you're selling a vehicle, the first thing that all mechanics, dealerships, or people do is they lift it up to look at the undercarriage. And if it's all rusted out, no one's gonna buy that car. But if it's looking nice, matte black, and shiny, everyone's gonna want that car because they know it's taken care of. The next thing is no drilling required. Like I mentioned before, we have a long wire that we feed into all the holes, into your trunk, into your hood, into your doors, everywhere that we possibly can, that sprays in all directions, so we don't have to drill, devaluing your car. Another thing is it's actually planet friendly, so it's environmentally friendly. It's one of the best and safest undercoatings on the market. Now, we can apply Waxoyl to vehicles that are 5 years or older, but the problem with that is if there's a little bit of rust buildup, we're not doing any kind of sanding, anything like that. We'll thoroughly clean it, but we're not doing any kind of sanding. And when we apply it, it will stop the rust in its tracks for up to 5 years, but you may have to come in 2, 3 years from when we apply it for a tiny little touch up because some of that rust will flake off. Other than that, this is the best protection on the market for your undercarriage. It's gonna ensure that no rust comes. It's gonna ensure that it stops rust in its tracks. It's gonna increase your resale value by over 200%, because like I mentioned, first thing people look at is the undercarriage to make sure that the vehicle is well kept. That is exactly why when we first heard about Waxoyl, we knew that we wanted to be the only shop in Calgary that was able to offer it to you guys, because we wanna bring the best products on the market to all of our clients.